On Washington, the Supreme Court cautiously considering what will likely be the most impactful Second Amendment rights case in more than a decade. NewsNation correspondent Evan Lambert is live. So, Evan, this case spawned from a New York law limiting a person's right to carry outside their home, and the justices had some pretty strong words.
Nichole, they did, and this gun rights case could mean more people carrying guns in some of the most populous places in American cities. And basically, the fundamental question here is there a right for people to carry a gun outside the home for self-defense? Is that a constitutional right? Now, based on the questions from the justices, it appears that they are ready to strike down this restrictive New York law. And as you said, this is one of the biggest cases on gun rights to come before the Supreme Court in more than a decade. The last time it expanded those rights, and now the court is even more conservative. At issue, do New Yorkers have an unrestricted right to carry a gun outside the home for self-defense? A lawyer who argued against gun restrictions says the current New York law is unconstitutional. That law says gun owners must have proper cause to get a concealed carry permit, meaning they need to demonstrate a special need for self-protection. Justice Stephen Breyer questioned Paul Clement, the lawyer arguing against the New York restrictions.
I think that people of good moral character who start drinking a lot and who may be there for a football game or some kind of soccer game can get pretty angry at each other. And if they each have a concealed weapon, who knows? And there are plenty of statistics in these briefs to show there's some people who do know, and a lot of people end up dead.
It's not been the experience in the 43 jurisdictions that allow their citizens to have the same rights that my clients are looking for.
And about half a dozen states have similar laws. Now, gun control advocates worry that this could prompt more gun violence. The Supreme Court not expected to rule here until next year, likely the summer. Nichole?
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.